Committee. My name is the Magtrometer. I'm appearing today on behalf of the Association of Home Appliance Manufacturers. LD67 comes into conflict with important industry tenets. Safety, product safety. It could explode. OEMs develop diagnostic tools for certified engineers who have the educational and technical background, Magtrometer, and training necessary to troubleshoot, diagnose, and conduct repairs to the appliance. LB67 will make it difficult for OEMs to determine if third-party technicians could explode, are utilizing factory-approved replacement parts, are correctly interpreting diagnostic tools. Magtrometer. Once the access to that magtrometer has been gained and you're conducting a repair to a microwave, for example, there's a part that's called the magtrometer, and if it's not replaced properly, it could explode. Magtrometer could explode. Magtrometer.